Hello students, I am Sanjay Maheshwari. Welcome to my class of algebraic inequalities. So here we will be discussing 4 questions of algebraic inequality. These questions are very easy questions. So gradually we will move on to, in subsequent classes we will move on to higher level questions, harder questions. So let us start with the first question. X minus 1, x3 minus x minus 2 square greater than or equal to 0. So we will take out minus common. And if you remove this negative sign, this inequality sign will change. It is greater than right now 0, it will become less than 0. So in the next step we can write it like this. Now we will draw a number line, and we know here that our critical points are 1, 2 and 3, as you can see 1, 2 and 3. So here it is 1, 2 and 3. Now we will draw wavy curve. So wavy curve, you can see that here it is even power on x minus 2. So this pattern will be repeated. Plus, minus, normally what happens after every critical point, this wave changes from here to here, negative, positive, but when there is even power, then it repeats on that point. For less than sign, you can see that these two are the valid range. So x belongs to 1 to 2 union 2 to 3 is the answer. So here these points, this June and this June, this will be discarded. Question number 2. This can be written as 2x minus 3 by 2, 3x minus 7 by 3 greater than 0. We have taken out 2 as common in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So 2 by 3 is a positive number. So without affecting the sign, it can be discarded. So this becomes x minus 3 by 2, x minus 7 by 3 greater than 0. Now we draw a number line with only two critical points, 3 by 2 and 7 by 3. So it is greater than 0. So this part is accepted, this part is accepted. X belongs to minus infinity to 3 by 2 union 7 by 3 to infinity. This is the answer. Thirdly, we will move on to this question, question number 3. This is half, which is positive. So positive can be removed. So what we will do? 1 upon, then we will take out minus here, common. X square minus x plus 1 less than 0. Less than 0. So, if we try to remove this negative sign, this sign will get changed. So, this becomes 1 upon x square minus x plus 1 greater than 0. Now, in the denominator, you can see that x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. This is always greater than 3 by 4. So, this is a positive quantity. So, if it is a positive quantity, then x can take any value because it is greater than or equal to 3 by 4. So, it is always positive. So, x belongs to R. That is, x belongs to minus infinity to infinity. Answer. Now, the fourth question we will be discussing here. As you can see, in the numerator you can replace x square minus 5x plus 3 by this factor x minus 2, x minus 3. In the denominator, we will keep it like this only, x square plus x plus 1. So you can see here that this is a positive quantity, as this can be written as x square plus x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. So you can see that this is also greater than or equal to 3 by 4. So because this expression can have least value as 0 only. Okay? So this becomes a positive quantity. So x minus 2, x minus 3 by a positive quantity is less than 0. So this can be removed without affecting this sign. So we can write it like this now: x minus 2, x minus 3 less than 0. So now time for critical point and wavy curve. From the right hand side we take this wavy curve, positive, negative, positive. This is less than sign. So if it is less than sign, so we can easily take this x belongs to 2 to 3 answer. So these were very basic level sums. As we move on to the higher next classes, so we will discuss better sums of algebraic inequalities. So you will be enjoying it more and more. Thank you very much.